George, you seem to have so much knowledge kwa farming. Ni kitu unapanga kupass down to other generations? Are there any people that you are mentoring? Kwa hii process yako na unaweza waeleza aje, or what are some of the factors they need kukiuka kwa hii biashara ya farming?
Currently I have about 4 guys wenye nimefunza, nimetake through, tumeenda through na wao, and when opportunities opens up from different counties, tunawatuma.
And kwa mitandao, are you available on any social media handles?
Yeah, I'm available on Facebook. I'm George Muturi Kamau. Not George Muturi Kamau on Facebook, but George Muturi Waigunyo on Facebook. Pia niko na page inaitwa Agritech Organic Farm. On YouTube I'm there as George Muturi, training on all these. So those are mainly where people can reach me through.
Yeah. Wow, George, I'm very impressed na hustle yako, because number one, ulimaliza high school, ujui nini utafanya. Ukaamua niaje, let me stick to this farming, let me try this farming. Umekiuka now, pass down the knowledge to people because you're also training people, umepatia watu kazi. So that means you're also feeding families. Sure. Kukiuka, and still you have plans of going beyond and taking this thing on a national level.
Yeah, sure.
When we look at some of the stakeholders that you can appeal to, the government or private investors, nini unaweza waambia na niaje pia sisi wote as vijana or just as a country, and when it comes to organic farming tunaweza kiuka aje na ni benefit gani hizi vitu zinatuletea?
Tunaweza angalia first from the agriculture ministry. We see that tumekuwa tukitumia chemicals here and there, now and then for wrong, and this has led into a challenge of food security. The government have been saying we are not food secure, but this has been led by the use of synthetic fertilizers, synthetic chemicals zenye zimeharibu mchanga. Even when ukitumia fertilizer, zile plant hazikui, we are not getting results. But now when we come into organic farming, first we work from the soil up to the plant. Tumetengeneza mchanga, tukiweka kama ni hii mbolea, tunapata that the plant is able to feed from the soil comfortably, na hakuna magonjwa from the soil, then we get good results.
Wow.
So in organic farming, the government should know that we are sure that we are going to be food secure as a nation.
Wow. So hii ni solution.
Yeah, this is
ya kumaliza njaa in this country,
in
this population.
Yeah. So hapa tuko na bed. Hii moja tunaita bed. This one is a stand.
Naka double decker.
Yeah. Triple, saa tutaita triple.
Oh, it's a triple decker.
Yeah. So now hapa ndani tuko na worms, tuko na mbolea. Though now hii
worms ziko hapa?
Yeah, ziko hapa ndani.
And hapa naona tu mchanga.
Unaona tu mchanga juu worms ziko huko ndani. I think now you can wear an apron. Ndio sasa tuende kazi.
So I have to change?
Yeah, you have to change.
Aya, sawa, let me change, and then now let's get to the dirt. Tuingize mkono huko ndani. Tutaingiza mkono huko ndani?
Lazima.
I'll see you soon. Finally changed. Niko hapa na Jojebu, nikuulize. Mtu akiingiza mkono ndani zinaweza uma hizo red worm?
No, worms haziwezi uma because one, they feed on decomposing matter.
Na kusikia dhidi
hata dhidi sio vile.
So like how deep do we go looking for these worms?
Not that deep. They are here.
So I have to dig inside?
Just a little bit.
I think I've caught one. I've caught this one. It's so big.
Yeah.
I can see them. No, easy.
You can even see the eggs.
Oh, these are the eggs?
Yeah.
And then there's a big one. I think it was laying.
So once they are through with the feeding, like now they are through, so huwa wanaenda chini. Ndio maana tunawapata chini kiasi.
Na baadaye haziumi.
Yeah. Now what we have here is now the ready vermicompost.
Okay. So from here, where do we take this?
Now from here, Now we go direct to sieving. Kuchunga so that we can separate the worms and the vermicompost.
Yeah.
Then we return the worms back, we feed them again. So what tunatoa?
So tunaweka hapa.
Yeah.
So we take as many as possible.
Tunaweka tu hapa ndani.
Mbona hii soil iko wet?
The reason as to why it's wet because when we are feeding tunazipea mbolea ya ng'ombe yenye ni moist kiasi. Vermicompost is so much different from other types of compost.
Okay.
Because one, hii unaiona hivi, you might feel kama ni wet, kama ni moist. But now this is the final moisture content of it.
Yes, I can show you the worm. And also the eggs.
Yeah.
There you go.
So haitakauka beyond that.
Okay.
Because one thing with it, inasaidia kuhold moisture. So ukipanda nayo, you don't use a lot of water.
Na nikiangalia hizi vermi beds mmeka oil chini.
Yeah, tumeka oil chini. The reason being, dealing with the predators. Worms zinapendwa sana na siafu.
Okay.
So if you leave them hivyo, and for example kuwe you are away for 2-3 days, for example siafu zingie day 1, by the time you are back the third day hutapata worms
zako zimekuliwa zote.
Na
hii so ina protect every predator.
Yeah, ina protect every predator.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now you know. So we go to the next.
So now from
step.
Here sasa ni kuenda tu kusieve.
Okay.
So utakuja tu nayo hapa. Then sasa nikikuwekea you just start shaking.
Okay. Do you shake with force?
So hivyo sasa, but now when at times it might be a challenge, ukishake pore worms zitaenda chini. Then now ikiwa hivyo unaweka tu hapa sasa hiyo yenye imebakia. So
hivi.
That one is fine, yeah.
This one is fine?
Yeah.
Oh. So much fun. Hii ni kama zoezi, eh?
Hii ni gym.
Hii ni gym. But it's very efficient,
yeah,
and so effective.
Now whatever we get here, we return it back together.
Also we
with
take
the
it back
worms.
to the bed.
Yeah, to the bed. But now we take it to the bed yenye already iko like through with harvesting. Like we have one of the beds here. We are through with harvesting. So hiyo sasa tunaweza iweka hapa sasa. So now we are through with like the first step of harvesting.
Okay.
Then now the second step, tutachukua tu the same compost yenye imekuwa sieved.
But now we are using this smaller one.
Yeah, we are using now the smaller one.
So this is the one that separates the egg.
The eggs, na kama kuna other worms zenye zilikuwa zimeenda through, this one will separate.
Okay.
Yeah. But now we do it now kwa
here.
Oh.
Let's get to it. So this is the final product.
Yeah, now this is the final product.
Do you also sell this?
Yeah, we also sell this to other farmers. Yeah.
And how do you sell it?
We
how do you
sell,
measure? How do you
sell in kgs at 70 shillings per kg.
70 shillings per kg?
Yeah.
So tunaweka wapi?
Tutaweka tu hapa.
Kwa hii ndoo yetu?
Yeah. Kiangalia kuko na,
you can see eggs,
and some
a lot of eggs,
tiny worms.
Yes.
So hizo tena tunazirudisha bado to the system.
Okay.
So the eggs zita hatch. They normally hatch within a period of 3-4 weeks. They hatch, so the number of worms inaenda increase.
Yeah.
So we bring them back. So zitaendelea tu kuwa nyingi tu hapo. Yeah. Now what comes now, sasa tukipata our final product, we have sieved, Now we go back to feeding.
As you can see, we at the pig style, and we are standing next to very cute piglets. Yeah, they're so scared, man. Zimeogopa, zimeona nimeingia hapa, they're like, who's this new guy? And George,
Yeah.
how do you feed them?
So we feed the pigs and the piglets on a variety of things. One, commercial feeds. We use black soldier fries, and we use azora and duckweed.
Okay.
So in a day, we feed them twice.
That's the piglets?
Yeah, both, all of them.
Both of them, they get fed twice a day?
Yeah, twice a day. Early in the morning around 8, and late in the evening around 5, 6.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But so now we are gonna feed them. We're gonna give them some water. They seem a little bit thirsty.
Yeah.
Come on, come on, come on. There you go, there you go. Wow. Jojo, naonadi mnapanda chai.
Yeah, hapa kuna section iko na chai. Wengine sana ni boga, viazi, sukuma wiki, mostly the kienyeji vegetables.
Nasikia hadi matawi ya waru inakuliwa. It can make a very good stew.
Yeah, pia hiyo ni mboga.
Yeah, pia ni mboga. Hiyo sikujua, and Georgie, we really want to thank you. Wewe ni definition ya kukiuka. And that's what tuna emphasize kwa hii show. Kukiuka, if you don't know what it really means, just means going beyond. You doing the extraordinary, setting yourself to be extraordinary. No matter ile dream ukanayo manze, unaweza kuwa unataka kuwa mpishi, unaweza taka kuwa kwanza farming hapa kama rafiki yetu George, you can go organic, and you can DM George, and he will give you tips on how you can be a success in this side or this sector of hustling. Tuzidi na hustle. So keep going, usichoke, ukianguka get up, try again and again and again. You never know, you're 1 inch, kuomoka, kukafunga, kukiuka, that's how we say. And I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, you can interact with us, #Tuzidi na hustle, tuzidi kukiuka. Let's go beyond, let's be extraordinary, let's be great. George Muturi is living proof that no matter where you come from, with hard work and resilience, you can still live your dreams. Many a times as an entrepreneur, you might hit a dead end, lakini lazima tuendelee kukiuka. No giving up. It takes effort to overcome each and every challenge to go beyond. Thank you so much for watching Tuzidi na Hustle. I've been your host, Martin Kimathi. Until next time, God bless.